What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy AlxRoMedia back at it again. It's been about a couple of weeks now since I had my intercooler installed. I installed it and so far so good. I can't complain about it. It works well and no rubbing issues, nothing at all, so I can't complain about it at all. So that came out good. 2 days ago I received a package that I've been waiting for about, I'd say, a week now, and I wanted to test it out because I mean, I know it makes a difference, but I didn't think it would make that much of a difference, and I have people tell me that it really does. I was like, you know what, let me try it out, and it came in a couple of days ago, so I'm sure you guys know what that means. It's time for an install video. So let me go ahead, unbox this, because it's pretty long and it's pretty heavy. Honestly, I was not expecting it to be heavy, but it is. And let me go ahead and show you guys. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Let me show you guys a better look. Let me go ahead and take this plastic off just to show you guys how this color looks. It actually looks pretty darn nice. So here we go. This, so you guys can see, got the NeuF, however you pronounce that, torsion, rear torsion bar. It already looks kind of like, I guess, scratched up, but this thing is pretty damn heavy. So let me go ahead, jack up the car, and I'm gonna try to install this bad boy. So I'm gonna catch you guys. Alright guys, so finally I jacked the car up. I took off the 2 rear wheels, and now it's pretty much uninstalling the rear torsion bar, the stock rear torsion bar, and installing the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead. I needed a 21mm socket, so I went to AutoZone to go get it. And yeah, so let me show you guys how I'm gonna uninstall this. I'll let you guys know how hard it was to install. So catch you in a few. Here are the 2 wheels, guys. Right now, I'm gonna try to get this bolt off. This one right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. This one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. And same thing for the other side. And then I have, I believe, 2 other bolts. Which are these right here, 1 and 2. And with those out, I should be able to take this stock rear torsion bar out the way. It's really hard to see, guys, but yeah. So let me go ahead, do that. I'll show you guys what it looks like, what the stock torsion bar looks like, and the NeuF torsion bar. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I finally got the OEM stock torsion bar out of the car. As you guys can see, right there, that's where the bar would go. Well, matter of fact, I took that piece out, but right here, that little hole, that's where the torsion bar goes in. And here's a side-by-side view. You got the NeuF torsion bar up front, up top, and the stock one right here. Now, they're both, give or take, about the same weight, I'd say. Matter of fact, no, the NeuF is definitely heavier. Definitely. And it's much thicker. It has a thicker feel to it, unlike the black stock OEM one. It's much thinner. So now that I see the difference, I'm pretty sure it will make a big difference on the car, on the handling, especially towards the back. So let me go ahead and finish the install because it's getting dark, and I will keep you guys updated. Now let me just explain real quick. The 21mm bolt was pretty difficult to take off. I needed more leverage, so I have one of these, which is really handy in situations like these. These are it, 2 bolts. Then I had this that saved my life when it came to taking off the other 2 bolts. Well, I didn't take them off. They're actually right. I don't know if you guys could see it, but these right here, these are 14. It's like a 14mm wrench. Well, I use this side, and then you don't want to get it stuck. You know, it won't be able to, if you keep loosening it, you'll eventually get this stuck, and it'll be difficult for you to take it off. So loosen it till where you see there's enough room to take this off, and then continue on with this. It was kind of difficult for me to do it with this, so I used one of these. These came in handy, and loosened this side, and that's it. Once this comes off, you pretty much play with the bar, with the torsion bar, pull it off from this side, pull it out, wiggle it out, and you should be good to go. Now another thing that came in handy was, of course, WD-40, and yeah, you're gonna need a lot of muscle to take those bolts out, because mine were pretty much rusted, you guys could see. So now for the fun part of reinstalling everything, and if it gets too dark, I will definitely end the video tomorrow so you guys could see how everything looks in daylight. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and finish this, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? So it's the next day, and I finally finished the install. I finally installed the rear torsion bar. Everything came out pretty good, so I want to go ahead and show you guys how it came out. It came out really good. It looks good. 1, 2. I really haven't driven the car to really feel it, but I will give you guys an update on how it feels. I'm pretty sure you could definitely feel a difference in the car, in the way it moves, the way it turns. So I will keep you guys updated on that. You know, I'll definitely post it on my Instagram at AlxRoMedia. So matter of fact, now that we're talking about that, go follow me at AlxRoMedia on Instagram. But yeah, install wasn't too difficult at all. It was actually pretty easy and simple, straightforward. You know, you do need some strength though, because those bolts are, this dude is loud. As I was saying, those bolts are really tight in there, and since it's like oxidated and all that, it makes it much difficult. So I'm pretty sure if you guys have like a breaker bar or something, I just used a regular pipe that was big enough to hold the socket wrench, and just was able to unbolt it just like that. If you have a breaker bar or something else that would work, because just the socket wrench itself will be pretty difficult. I'm not saying you won't do it, but it'll be pretty difficult. So yeah, other than that, just have a lot of muscle, and yeah, after that it's pretty much simple. It's just like literally 4 bolts you're removing, and that's it. Just that the bolts are extremely tight. There was like 2 bolts I believe that had Loctite in them, which is why I believe it was also difficult to remove, but it's possible. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it finally looks. I don't know if you guys can really see. So yeah, as you guys saw, it's finally installed. Looks great. I like the way it looks. At least now you could actually see the torsion bar with the NeuF logo on it, unlike the stock one, which was all black. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little install video that I had on the Abarth. Once again, I got a lot of things coming up for this car soon, so stay tuned for that, because I'm pretty sure you guys enjoy the video. If not, you wouldn't be watching this. So I appreciate you guys always supporting me, always staying tuned for the videos. A couple of you guys always hitting me up, always looking out, always liking pictures of the car. So I thank you guys. I really appreciate for all the help. I see we're at a couple of more subscribers than we were before, so I thank you guys. For those of you who are new, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell so you guys can stay tuned to more AlxRoMedia content. And I'm really trying to get this Abarth going, so stay with me guys. Thank you guys once again for watching. Follow me at AlxRoMedia. Hit me up with any questions you guys have. I will always be there to answer you guys. I'm out of here. Peace.